this is the simplest and easiest way to edit motion graphics files, that's .MOGRT files and .AEGRAPHICS files in After Effects. My name is Charlie, and let's get straight to the screen. Now, right here on our screen, we have a bunch of .MOGRT files that we want to edit in After Effects. Now, these files are typically motion graphics files for Premiere Pro. You cannot edit them in After Effects. In fact, if you try to right-click and do open with, on default, it is on Premiere Pro. And even if you try to force it to open with After Effects, you will get a very typical error message that, okay, the file is damaged. Which is very wrong. The file is not damaged. So here is what we're going to do. What we're going to do is very, very simple and straightforward. We are going to rename the file to a zip file. We're going to compress it. So what we're going to just click on the name, click it a second time, and change the name to .zip. And once we hit enter, it will prompt us to confirm yes, we use .zip. Now the next step is to extract it. After we have zipped it, we are going to double click and extract. I just double click it to automatically extract. So it has extracted to a folder here. If we open the folder, we are hit with another problem. We are hit with a second problem. Now we have the .AEGRAPHIC. Even if we try to open .AEGRAPHIC, even though it's typically, the icon is typically After Effects, even if we try to open it with After Effects, it will still not open. That's the second problem. It is not open. It's not even bringing a dialogue. It's not opening. So what we are going to do now is to do the same thing we did before. We are going to click, rename it back to .zip. Rename it back to .zip and click use .zip. Again, we are going to now extract the .zip and okay, voila. We have the folder here. We open the folder. We will have a proper AEP project, which is a proper After Effects project. So if we open it, it should open now, clean and simple. We have a full AE project, and we can edit it anyhow we want in After Effects. Look at the full project here. It's something I was working on previously. So I'm not sure why in 2020 Adobe have not still fixed this, that you have to go through this rigorous process to edit motion graphics file that is on Premiere Pro to edit in After Effects. So, but then if you have a bunch of motion graphics files for Premiere Pro, you can easily just use this process and be able to edit it in After Effects. You have your full controls, full layer panels and everything. Now here is a very fast way to just do the rest of them without doing it one after the other. I'll just come here and highlight the rest of these ones and right click, and I will do rename. Yes. So what I'm going to do here now is just to do replace text. Replace text, I'll just type .MOGRT, that's find .MOGRT and replace it with .zip, and I'll hit rename, click, hit apply to all, and then do use .zip. It will automatically rename everything, so I don't have to go one after the other and be doing it each and every one of them one after the other. You're welcome. So thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.